The most common question that I have been receiving is, "Hey, Xiyang, can you share with us on how we can use directions in Chinese? You have probably experienced that you were lost, or you were about to meet your friend, and you have difficulty in finding the place, or you have been looking for something, but you just couldn't find it. Where can you get to the location?" So the problem was, even if you have asked someone and you don't even understand the direction words in Chinese, chances are it will be even more difficult for finding what you have been looking for. So what are you going to do if this happens again? Don't worry, I got you here. On this video, I'm going to show you the most common direction words and phrases in Chinese. 后面 back 他在后面 He is at the back 前面 front 车前面 front of the car 外面 outside 穿上你的夹克因为外面很冷 Put on your jacket because it's cold outside 里面 inside 她在里面 She is inside 对面 opposite 银行在学校的对面 The bank is opposite of the school Bank 银行学校 School 哪里 Where 请问洗手间在哪里 Excuse me, where is the restroom? 东边 East 太阳每天从东边升起 The sun rises every morning in the east 南 South
指南针指向南 The compass
Point South 北 North 指南针指向北边 Compass points north 这里 Here 我在这里等你 I wait for you here 那里 There 那里有很多漂亮的房子
There are many beautiful houses.
I hope this video will help you. And if you want to learn this more, you can watch the video again and keep on practicing. If our video has given you value, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and give your comment below. And also, I would love to hear what the kind of topics do you want to watch in follow upcoming videos. We will bring you more and more interesting to help you in your Chinese learning journey. 再见 See you on our next videos.